Okay, hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about multiplying decimals. So if we have two decimal number or a whole number multiplied by the decimal, how can we multiply? How to find the product? Okay. So first we study what was the decimal. Decimal, any number that has the decimal point is called decimal. Let's say 2 and 5 tenths. This one is called decimal number. Why? Because the number that has the decimal point, right? Okay, today we're gonna study multiplying decimal. We say that if we have two decimal, how to multiply. We have 4 steps. If you follow these 4 steps, it's very easy to find the answer. Okay, first one, steps. Okay, we have 4 steps. First step, remove the point or ignore the points. Okay, remove the point, remove the point, or ignore the points. Okay, so the second step is multiplying or do your multiplication. Okay, just write down multiply, multiply. Okay, the third steps, count the decimal places, count the decimal places. Okay, the last step is move the point to the left, according to the decimal places. Okay, we're gonna, if you follow these steps, it's very easy to find the answer. Okay, let's write the question. If the question say find the product, we know the product, it means the answer of the multiplication. The answer of the multiplication. Okay, the first example, if the question say, let's say 4 tenths times, let's say 6 hundredths. Okay, we said how to read this one. 4 tenths, 600. We cannot say 0.4. So reading decimal is like 4 tenths, 6 hundredths. Okay, if we have these two decimal, how to find the product or how to multiply? By follow these steps. Okay, first step is remove the point or ignore the points. Remove it, you will get 4 times 6. Okay, now 4 times 6, the second step is multiply. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, 24. We know it's gonna be 24. The third step, count the decimal places. What does mean decimal places? It means how many numbers do you have after the point, after the decimal point on the right hand side. In here we have 2 numbers, 2 decimal places. In here we have 1. Plus it, it's gonna be 3 decimal places. 3 decimal place. Okay, so we counted, it is 3 decimal places. The last step is move the point to the left according to the decimal places. It means we have 24, right? 24 is the whole number. Where is the point? Always, if we have the whole number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till to infinity, any number, let's say 4. 4, where is the point? Where is the decimal point? Is at the end of the numbers. Let's say 16. Where is the point? The point is at the end, and because it doesn't count it in here, if you add more 0, these are, it doesn't count, so still is 16 the value, right? So that's why the point is at the end. We say now move the point to the left according to the decimal places. We have 3 decimals, so that's when move the point to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3, right? There is no number in this place value, put 0, 0. So the answer is 0, 24. It's gonna be 24,000. Okay? Let's solve another example. The second one. Let me write it in here. Okay. The second one, the same. If the question say find the product. Find the product. If the question say 6 and 95 hundredths multiplied by 2, or let's say 7 and 8 tenths. How to multiply? Just follow the steps. Just follow the steps, okay? It will be very easy. Let's say first step, remove the point or ignore the points. Read the question first. The question says find the product. The product means the answer of multiplication. It means you have to multiply these two decimals. Okay? So now remove the point. It's gonna be 695. Okay? If you ignore the point or remove it, it's gonna be 695. This one, it's gonna be 78. Now multiply. The second step is multiply, right? Multiply. So now we are multiplying these two numbers together. 8 times 5. How can we multiply these two numbers together? Look at the ones place in the second number. We have 8 multiplied by each digit in the first number. 8 times 5 is 40, right? 40 is two digits. 0, 4 is up. 8 times 9 is 72. Do not forget to place this number, okay? The remainder. 8 times 9, 72. Plus 4 is 76. 6, 7 is up. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 2, it's gonna be 55. 55, right? 8 times 6, 48. Plus 2, it's gonna be 55. Now, before you multiply the tens place, 7, before you multiply this one, you have to put the 0. Why? Because 7 in the tens place, the 10 place, right? In the 10 we have 1 0, so that's why you have to put 1 0. Okay, now multiply. 7 times 5, 35. 5, 3 is up. 7 times 9, 63. Plus 3, 66. 6, 6 is up. Okay. 7 times 6, 42. Plus 6, 48. 48. Now, plus them. So, 0, it's gonna be 0. Plus it, 6 plus 5, it's gonna be 11. 1 is up. It's gonna be 12. 1 is up. 1 plus 5, 6. Plus 8, it's gonna be 14. 4, 1 is up. It's gonna be 5. Okay? So we multiply these two numbers. We did the second step. The third step, count the decimal places. Count the decimal. It means how many numbers? This one you have one number, and this one it's two decimal places. This one is 1 decimal places. It's gonna be 3 decimal place. Okay? Now move the point. We said that move the point to the left according to the decimal point. The point is here 1, 2, 3. The answer is 45 and 210,000. That's the answer. Multiplying decimals is just very easy. Just follow these 4 steps. Okay? It will be very easy.